Hello everyone, for precise urban cold chain delivery. You need a new partner. RHD eT1 Mini Urban Commercial Vehicle. Here it comes, developed for overseas markets. Right-hand drive model, compact, agile in city streets. With 2 cubic meters of cargo space for efficient daily deliveries. A powerful cooling system reaches -18 degrees, keeping shipments fresh. Built with reliability at its core. 22.4 kWh LFE battery. 180 kilometers range. Worry-free. Equipped with LED headlight, a rear-view camera. Essential connectivity. A road-legal commercial vehicle. Top speed, 80 kilometers per hour. Passenger vehicle grade suspension. Smooths out bumps for an exceptionally comfortable ride. eT1 Mini, designed for urban utility application. We are ready. Contact us today for a tailored solution.